Okay, lesson 14. This would basically be the Cronlewis movements that would be um, the ending or the grand endings of Piobaireachd, um, as they're very, very perplexed in some areas. They're a very unique movement, unlike the Torluas. And I'm going to present the open Cronlewis first on the basic notes that you would normally see these in basic Piobaireachds. Low G, low A, D and B and C's, and of course E and F. And so I will give you those movements. There's on other scale notes as well, but the most common ones that you would find in basic Piobaireachds. So starting with the hembadi, 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 kind of sound and motion that comes from them. This will be the start from low G. Let's try one of my other chanters here and give the other one a rest. Now remember on D, the exception to the rule would be a B grace note, not a D grace note, just like in the Torluas. As we move on to E. Now that's the open Cronlewis that you will find. And you'll also find the next part of 14, which technically I can call it 14B, which would be the closed Cronlewis that you will find in more intermediate into complex Piobaireachds that are basically on the low G as opposed to D grace note on low G up to low A with an E and an F grace note on the open. This one's all closed on low G, and you'll find a lot of them on low G, commonly on low G. And D's, B's, those are the main notes that you would have to close environment of the Cronlewis. And so I'm going to play one of them for you. It's going to be bandri, 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 ho, bandri, ho, bandri, bandri, kind of motion into the movement itself on D. So I'll give you low A. I'll give you low G, sorry, low A and then D. So now you can have them on E's as well. On B. C. So those are very tricky, but you need to learn them slowly and carefully to understand the closed movement of the Cronlewis as opposed to the open movement of the Cronlewis. So I hope this helps you on both. I would consider 14A and 14B. and an open current Lewis and a closed current Lewis. Thank you.